In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this start math question using our first using the manual method and also the 34 plus edition scientific calculator method. So let's begin with the manual method, which is very easier. Okay, so let's get started. So the question says the function f is defined by the equation f of x equals 7x plus 2. What is the value of f of x when x equals 4? So guys, in algebra, f of x is something as y. So you can replace f of x with y. This will be y equals 7x plus 2, and we are told that the value of x is 4. So what it means that when you see x in this expression, you replace it with 4. So this is going to give us y equals, so 7 times our x is 4 plus 2 will give us, so our y will be 7 times 4, that's 28 plus 2, which will give us 30. So what it means that our f of x, which is something as y, equals what? 30. Right? So that will be the answer to this question. So let me show you how you can solve this the calculator. So invariably you can say that this expression can be written as, let me show you, 30, okay, equals, yeah, 30 equals 7x plus 2, alright, of which when you solve this, you're going to get back to 4 as the value of x. Okay, for this problem. Okay, so guys, that's the idea. Alright, that's the idea to this question. So let me show you I can verify this with the calculator as well before I end the video. So this is the TR-84 plus edition as usual. To because before you begin to solve, you reset, you press second the plus button, then press 7 to reset, press 1 to reset over, and press 2, and you're good to go. Let's go to the equation solver. So navigate up, we have solver, enter. So we have 0 equals, so what it means now is that we need to make this expression we have here to align with what we have on the calculator setting. So to do this, you move what we have at the left side to the right side, change to the negative. So it's going to be 0 equals 7x, okay, plus 2 minus 30. Okay, so we're going to solve this equation and see whether we're going to have 4 as the value of x. If we're able to get 4, you know that this expression or the solution we did here manually is correct. Okay, so that's the idea. So let's go ahead. As we know, 2 minus 30 will give minus 28. So let's punch in the calculator. We're going to have 7s, when s, press this button, then minus 28. So that's it. Press enter, assign x to be 0. I highly recommend. So to solve it, press alpha and this enter button. So you see x is 4. So the solution we have here is correct, as f of x being 30. So guys, this is how you can solve this kind of problem for your start math using the manual method and the calculator method. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, you should subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel about the length of the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, if you don't know what I talked about in the video, feel free to request in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button so you're getting premium information on how to solve more of start math problems and other entrance college problems you'll be dealing with in mathematics. Okay, so having noticed this, click on the end screen above and I'll see you in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to reset once you're done. Press second plus button for the instruction, press 3 to reset, press 1 to reset over, and press 2. So that's it, we're good to go.